Here we go again. We got a double header on. Tanner's got one, and Mark's got one. What's Tanner got here? I don't know. Walleye? Walleye. And we got Mark over here who's got the true fish on. Look at this action here. Right there.
Yeah, it was right.
Right there.
Yeah, I was going to say she was just in front of me a minute ago.
There it is. I can't see it now either. It's gonna be up here, Mickey. Right here.
Right here by me.
Right there.
Good fish.
Right up here.
Right beside me. Yeah, let me get out of the way. Right here, right here, right here.
Drop it, drop it, drop it! Nice! Hey, nice fish.
Nice one, buddy.
Here you go, Mark. Hold on a minute.
You lost the bolos?
I lost my bogo grips. Holy fuck.
Just now, or?